everybody, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to show y'all kind of some of my favorites this past month that I used a lot in January. And I'll leave links down in the description bar for y'all to look at everything. Okay, so the first thing I want to talk about is my lip color. This is the Kat Von D Studded Lipstick, and this is in the shade Cathedral. Y'all, this stuff, so creamy, stays on all day long. It's incredible, love it. Another makeup thing, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Stick in the shade Fawn. I just started getting brave enough to use the cream contour. It's really gray looking, which I actually like. The Kat Von D palette that I use usually for contour is really great because it has that gray undertone so it doesn't look super orange. And it gives you more of that natural contour under your cheekbones. I would definitely recommend this stuff. You literally just take it along your jawline and then you take your beauty blender or wet beauty sponge and just press it into your skin and then you're good to go. My next favorite thing for this month is this dry shampoo by Bumble & Bumble. This is the Nourishing Dry Shampoo. This stuff smells so good. I'm almost out of it, so I need to get another bottle, but you know how you use dry shampoo sometimes and it gives you like all that white stuff in your hair, makes it look like you have a bunch of dandruff or like you're going gray. This stuff does not do that. It sprays right into your hair, and unless you put like a ton of it in there, which you really don't need to do, you can't even tell that it's in there. And then you just use it like a normal dry shampoo, rub it into your scalp, and all that good stuff. But this is awesome. Makes my hair feel super good. It's not like clunky and like stiff like a lot of dry shampoos make your hair feel. And again, this is the Bumble & Bumble dry shampoo. Y'all, I swear by this stuff. My next favorite is this Beauty Counter night cream. My friend Rachel sells Beauty Counter, and I always thought for the longest time that it was one of those gigs that you see where people sell stuff on like Facebook and Instagram and stuff. But y'all, this stuff is the real deal. It's a little expensive, but it is worth every single penny. This is called the Nourishing Night Cream, and I put it on every single night and sometimes in the morning, but I make sure I put it on every time I get out of the shower. But this stuff just leaves your skin feeling really good. Next for this month's favorite is the Seabreeze Sensitive Skin Toner. Now, toner is awesome after you take all your makeup off. You think you've gotten all the makeup off with a makeup wipe, and then you go in with a toner and you see how terrible you actually did at getting all your makeup off. So this is just an astringent, a toner. I think this is like $6. Again, I'll leave everything linked down below in the description box so that y'all can see everything. But this is like a classic brand. I think my mom used this whenever she was in high school and college and stuff. But it's perfect. Again, it's just a toner. I just got a new one of these, so barely tapped into it. But it's just perfect to make sure you got all the makeup off of your face, make sure all the dirt is out of your pores. Even when I don't wear makeup, I still use this stuff to make sure that I get my face completely clean of any dirt or like chemicals or bacteria or whatever that's gotten on my skin throughout the day. Going along the line of skincare, I use this Mario Badescu drying lotion, and it looks kind of weird. It's like it has like a pink, and it also has a clear substance. I'm honestly almost out of it because I use it so much. But what you do is you literally take a Q-tip, dip it straight down in there, and this pink stuff comes out on the tip of it, and you just put it all over your zits, your pimples, your problem spots, dries them up perfectly. You look insane whenever you put it on because you have pink dots all over your face, but gets the job done. Okay, moving into some more lifestyle stuff. A friend of ours got us into the Magnolia Journal. I don't know if y'all have heard about this. Chip and Joanna Gaines, if you watch Fixer Upper. If you don't, I don't know what you're doing with your life, to be honest with you, because Chip and Joanna they're incredible. They're just incredible, and they love the Lord. I mean, come on. Two beautiful human beings who can flip houses and make them look incredible. They come out with this journal every season. It's called the Magnolia Journal. And basically it's just some lifestyle stuff. She put some of her favorite recipes. There's different like guest writers that she has in here, which is really cool. And then Chip has like some of his favorite stuff for guys that he puts in there, but everything in it is just very beautiful. All the pictures, they have a furniture line. I mean, everything in here is just gorgeous. So they put out one of these again every season. So this is the 6th issue. We started getting these a year ago. So we have issues 3 through 6, 3, 4, 5, 6, yeah. But it's $20 for a year subscription, and it's so worth it. These are so beautiful. It's something that you can keep around forever. We keep these on our coffee table, and on the lining of it has which volume it is or which issue number it is. But we just love this. It's a fun thing that you get every season, and it's themed for different seasons. So the one for Christmas was Wonder, and it talked all about the wonder of Christmas and fun crafts you can do with your family and your loved ones. And I haven't gotten to read this issue yet. We just got it in the mail 2 days ago, so I'm really excited to read this one. My next favorite is this bottle, and it's a hot and cold bottle. It's from Lululemon. I think it was $38. My friend Liz got this for me and my husband. She got us each one. Shout out to you, Liz. But this thing, y'all, look at this top. Okay, so one of my favorite things about this, and one of the things that I hate most about other like water bottles or, you know, Yeti cups or whatever is, number one, a Yeti cup spills everywhere. I know you can get the caps, but it's not the same thing. And then my Swell bottle, I love that too, but the cap can just get annoying. I lose it all the time. I know it's ridiculous, but I do. But with this one, it just has this little thing on the top, and you push it, which opens it, and then you drink out of it. And then you just push it again, and it pops back out, and then it's closed. And it's that simple. So you don't ever have to worry about losing your top because it's right here attached to it the whole time. Okay, the next thing in my favorites is this Day Designer. It's a planner. It's incredible. This is the third one that I've had. Get them every year. This planner is perfect because it goes through each month. So it has your monthly layout, okay? And then on each page, there's one day. So this is one day, this is one day, and it has, on this side it has what your schedule is from, I think it starts at, 5 o'clock and goes all the way down to 9 p.m. So you can write this out, and then on this side is a to-do list. As you see, mine is ever growing, constantly have a long to-do list. I'm also very much of a list maker, so if I can put something on there that I know I can cross off and feel some accomplishment, I'm gonna do it. If I'm gonna put brush my teeth and take a shower just so I can cross it off, I'm definitely gonna do that. Whatever helps to make you be more productive, you know? So I really love this though because it keeps me organized. It has these really pretty gold like little tabs for each month. It's a January to December calendar. I'm in grad school right now and also nannying full time, so I have to be very careful of my time and make sure that I'm using all of my hours best, and this planner really helps me do that. It's really nice. As you can see, it has this really pretty gold rings, and then it has a hard back. And you can get these in like there's a bunch of different prints. It's really cool. But again, this is called the Day Designer, and I am obsessed. I would literally be lost without this thing. Also, I don't think that I've addressed this yet, but you're on a new camera. I'm no longer filming on my iPhone, praise God. Canon G7X Mark II. I did a bunch of research, wanted to make sure that I was getting the best camera for the best value, didn't want to spend an incredible amount of money. Even in the future, whenever we have children one day, which won't be for a couple years, but whenever we have children one day, this would be a great camera that we can just take videos of our children and just have really good quality. So I'm excited about this, especially for y'all, so that y'all can see me on a little bit of a clear screen and be able to see all the fun stuff that I want to bring to y'all. Y'all, this next thing, I don't think it's just a monthly favorite. This has to go down as probably a yearly favorite. And it is this calendar by Artifact Uprising. It is beautiful. One of our really good friends, Brita, shout out to you, Brita, got this for Greg and I for our wedding gift, and each month, I'll kind of go through it for you a little bit, but each month has a different picture of us on it. This is March, which is the month that Greg and I got engaged, and then it just goes through each month and has different pictures of us. Ah, literally the sweetest thing ever. And then it has like the little month at the bottom. But I'm obsessed with this. Again, this is from Artifact Uprising. They do a bunch of like really cool prints and stuff. And then this is obviously from January to December of 2018. But it's just a really sweet gift. I think it's super thoughtful. It's something that somebody will be able to enjoy this all year long. Okay, the next thing we have is this JBL speaker. This is the Charge 3. And this is a Bluetooth speaker. It's wireless. It has obviously speaker all around it, and then it has 2 speakers on the side as well, so it really gives you that surround sound effect. We love this, keep moving around the house. It's super portable, and the best thing about it is that this thing is splash proof, waterproof. It can fall in the water and still survive, which is great for weekends on the lake, especially with summer coming up. It's a little more on the expensive side, but it's definitely worth it. It's a good size. It's big enough to give you that hearty sound of feeling like there's a giant speaker in the room, but it's small enough to be portable that you can take it around with you everywhere that you go. I know these have been around for forever, but I still cannot get over them. So, this is a rewind candle. I'm sure y'all seen these. They are made out of recycled wine glasses, or wine bottles, excuse me. So this is literally like the bottom of a wine bottle that they cut and made into a candle. And they have like all different scents depending on different kinds of wine. This is in the scent Mimosa. It smells so good. Just imagine like champagne and roses mixed together. That's what this smells like. It's incredible. And surprisingly, Greg likes this. He usually doesn't like the fruitier smells, but this candle, he loves. And I've bought it so many times. It's a little on the pricier side for a candle. It's $28, but it lasts a really long time. It's pretty big. And you have this cute little jar whenever you're done with the candle. I'm a huge snacker. I don't usually eat like a bunch of meals throughout the day. I like to kind of snack throughout the day. And these RX bars, they just have simple ingredients: egg whites, almonds, cashews, dates. I'm gluten-free, not by choice. It's an allergy that I have. So I can't eat regular brownies, but this tastes just like a brownie, and it has good ingredients. It's clean. They fill you up, honestly. It's not like I eat Lara bars a lot and they're great, love them, but they're a lot smaller than this, and they're not extremely like satiating. You usually have to eat like 2 Lara bars before you can actually fill your stomach filling up, so that you know you're actually getting some nutrition whenever you eat this thing. This next thing, if you know me well, you know that I love smoothies, like love smoothies. It's a Vitamix blender because I am obsessed with them. Literally, they show things where you can put like rocks in there or whatever. It literally shreds anything. It can make it can be a food processor or a blender. It can make it can do juices. It can make nut butters. This thing, I just love it. It's really, really great. Make smoothies in it every single day. It's super powerful. You only have to do it for a couple seconds, and it's already blended up and ready to go for you. Currently, I'm obsessed with this book called The Nightingale. This is by Chris and Hannah. One of my friends, Tana, shout out to you, Tana. She told me about this book. I put out a question on Instagram and said, y'all tell me what books to read. I want to read a book a month. That's one of my New Year's resolutions. I really love mystery books. I love lifestyle books. I love things that talk about the Lord and your relationship with Jesus. Also love like historical, real things that have happened. So this book that I'm reading right now is called The Nightingale. It's by Chris and Hannah. It's a pretty thick book. It basically just talks all about this girl who is living in France at the time of World War II. And it's a very uplifting, like feminine power, like women power, girl boss kind of book, but in a very different sense than stuff that you're seeing today. So this isn't telling you, you know, how to start your own business or how to gain influence, whatever. This is about a girl who at 18 years old decided that she knew what she believed in and knew what she wanted to fight for, and she was willing to do whatever it took to get there. So it's really inspiring. I'm about halfway through right now. I just started it 2 weeks ago, but books are what I want to focus on a lot this year. I really want to be able to expand my knowledge and just have a better understanding of other people and other cultures. So that wraps up this month's favorites. Thank y'all so much for watching. If you like this video and want to see more like it, please like this video and subscribe down below. Also, if y'all have any comments or questions or video ideas or whatever it is, please leave them in the comments down below and let me know. Really have enjoyed starting this kind of YouTube video journey, and it's something that I really enjoy and want to keep doing. So y'all let me know what you want to see, and I hope y'all have an incredible week.